guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chicken strips. Before I get started with this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on your notification bell so you guys never miss a video. So what we're going to start off with first is mixing all the dry ingredients. So we're going to have 2 cups of flour, and with that you're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and then 3/4 teaspoon of white pepper. The next thing you're gonna add is 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm using sea salt. You can also use just regular salt. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and just like a pinch of black pepper. It's not necessary, but yeah, you can also put black pepper. And you're just gonna put that as well. And you're just gonna give this a quick stir. In a separate bowl, you're gonna crack 2 large eggs. The next thing we're gonna do is add 2 cups of buttermilk. I did make this buttermilk, so I will put the ingredients down in the description on how to make this. So you're gonna add 2 cups of buttermilk, and then 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and then you're gonna also add some hot sauce. This is 2 teaspoons. Now I'm just gonna give this a quick mix. And now I'm just gonna add this into the liquid. Alright, by taking our chicken strips and dipping it into the dry ingredients, which was like, the flour and the spices, and then we're gonna dip it into the eggs, and we're just gonna continue doing this. Okay, now I'm gonna start frying the strips, so I'm gonna put them on. Okay, so for the sauce, you will be needing 1 cup of mayo, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and then 1/2 tablespoon of paprika. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first put the ketchup with the mayo, Worcestershire sauce, just 2 tablespoons of it or less, and I'm just gonna give this a mix. And now the next thing you're gonna add is the spices, so the garlic powder, the paprika, and the salt. And along with that, you're gonna add the black pepper. And there you have it. This is how you make spicy chicken tenders. You can also eat it with the sauce that I made, or you can just normally eat it with ketchup or mayo, if you like mayo. I love mayo. I would probably eat it with mayo. But yeah, so there's different type of sauces you can eat it with. And yeah, hope you like this video and see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.